So welcome everyone. When we talk about L-arginine, then many people are extensively using it. That's all for today's video, and if you found the video helpful, then be sure to share the video and subscribe to the channel. And to watch my videos in Hindi, be sure to subscribe to my other channel, the link to which will be right in the description box below.
Actually is, and
Thank you,
whether it
and
is
see you
useful in
next time.
bodybuilding or not.
Didn't even get to bronze.
First of all, we all know what protein is and how it helps in building muscle, right? But when we study further, then we will come to know that proteins are further divided into two categories: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. In short, essential amino acids are those which our body cannot produce on its own. Thus, we have to depend on our diet and, if necessary, on supplements to get them. On the other hand, non-essential amino acids are those which our body can produce on its own, and L-arginine falls into this category. L-arginine helps in the production of nitric oxide in our body and is also used to treat a variety of medical cases such as burns, post-surgical and trauma cases, improving blood flow, in better regulation of blood sugar levels, etc. But when it comes to bodybuilding, a common statement we come to hear is that L-arginine helps in the production of nitric oxide in our body. Nitric oxide helps in the expansion of our blood vessels, which will further increase our blood flow. As a result of increased blood flow, nutrient flow inside our body will also increase. This increased nutrient flow will help in better growth of our muscle and post-workout recovery. After the statement, it may seem to be as a useful supplement. But wait, let's have a look at the researches. In 2017, a randomized study was conducted where 56 male soccer players were divided into two groups. One group was given 2 grams of L-arginine, while on the other hand, the other group was given the same amount of maltodextrin for 45 days. Maltodextrin is a form of sugar. In this research, the performance of the group consuming L-arginine significantly increased as compared to the other group. But on the other hand, we have some researches like this one, published in 2018. In this research, 12 men were randomly assigned to L-arginine or placebo supplementation. In medicine, placebo is a substance, a pill, or any other treatment that appears to be a medical intervention but is not one. Placebos are particularly important in clinical trials during which they are often given to the participants in the controlled group. Because placebo is not an active treatment, it should not have much of an effect on the condition. Researchers can compare their results from the placebo to those from the actual group to check out whether the new drug is effective or not. Subjects received 6 grams of L-arginine or placebo 60 minutes before strength tests. Maximum number of repetitions, 3 sets at 70% of 1 repetition maximum on bench press and at 80% of 1 repetition maximum on knee extensions. 2 minutes of rest between exercises and sets. Blood samples were collected before supplementation and 6 minutes after exercise. Plasma nitrate levels did not significantly change after L-arginine or placebo supplementation and after strength training. There was a significant reduction in the number of repetitions from set 1 to set 3 in both of them, the bench press and the knee extensions. But no significant interactions were observed between placebo and L-arginine. But eventually when we check out the proportion, then researches against L-arginine are more as compared to researches in favor of it and its effect in bodybuilding. So yes, it may vary from person to person. Like yes, personally I have used L-arginine and for me it's a completely useless supplement. Some may not agree with me because, as I said, there are researches both in favor of it and against it. So it may vary from person to person. That's all for today's video, and if you found the video helpful, then be sure to share the video and subscribe to the channel. And to watch my videos in Hindi, be sure to subscribe to my other channel, the link to which will be right in the description box below. Thank you and see you next time.